because you will never go wrong with that, Crystal Kids. All right, condensed glue gel, no wipe top coat right on the top. And then we're gonna using precision. This one is need precision glue gels as well, so we're gonna do it shortly after we finish. All right. So now, as I say, if you're watching from beginning, you don't want anything else. Hey, should I do it in the middle though? Maybe I should do it in the middle, huh?
It's up to you.
Okay. Let me add it on. So if you know exactly where you are going to place your crystal, you can apply your condensed glue gel right at that spot. But you see, majority of the time, I'm always adding it on and tie the nails and then spread it out evenly, because sometimes the clients will change their minds and want to add a little bit more crystal than we planted it. So buying appliance and tie the nails and evenly, it will help so much for just in case the clients want to add more. The clients design like, I want the nails to be $20 crystal design instead of just $10, you know. So you want to make sure that yours got it's taken care. Do you have any frame? Can I get some frame from you? Let's see how it is. Okay, and I moved the kids away because we want did you have the you know what, I'm gonna do this. How about that?
All right.
Like it's really kind of nice and vibrant. I'm gonna do different. Instead of centerpiece, here is gonna be centerpiece. You can do anything you want, like basically frame. If you don't want frame, just take the frame off. Frame and adding your centerpieces in there. And then after that, you're going to use some filler. This is green. Kind of like angle the side like that. And now if you want to add some like some beads, you can add them some on. Yes, do you want to say something?
No.
What are you thinking of?
No, it's just that you're focusing, so I'll let you think.
Can you get me that beads from the kids? The kids have the beads. It's like really compatible with this one. Think of it. I just put the cute big one on. Big one. Ow, did you catch in my hair?
No.
Alright. So the best thing about the condensed glue gel and in a wet top boat, it's not going to set yet, so you can see that I can take my time, place all this beauty on until I am ready to go. Taking one of this. I just need one more frame right there. that's it. And then you can add, so when after you're done with your centerpiece, you can add filler, you can add however you want, add here, as long as they stay really nice, closer, connect together. You'll never worry about yours is, you'll never have to worry about your crystal placement. It will stay on your client's nail until next time they comes and see you. Right, and that's it. You can add some more. Add right here, more and more. Look at that. Is that not bad at all? And I'm going to go ahead and wipe off. So now you can see, definitely I'm trying to you can see everything underneath of the background with your marblings like tie-dye. Just adjusting a little bit right there. Right here. All right, good to go. We are going to cure for 60 seconds. You can add some more. You can add more crystal here if you prefer, here and here. You can do so many.